hustle, or a new business idea, you may have thought about ways to make money online. When you know what you're doing, making money online is pretty straightforward. You can do it full-time or part-time right from the comfort of your home. Who wouldn't want to work in their pajamas and pull in some extra cash? Number 1. Sell stock photos. If you've got a good eye for photos, you could try your hand at stock photography. Image library websites like iStock and Getty Images allow users to upload photos and earn a small royalty when they're used. You could start by taking pictures of your local neighborhood, food you cook, and interesting buildings you run into, or set up some scenes at home. Remember, if your photos include other people or their property, you'll need to get the person or owner to sign a model release form. This form, which you can find easily online, is written permission for the photographer to use the images they take of a person or property for commercial purposes. Certain websites will not accept uploads unless you have a model release. Stock photos are put to a huge variety of uses, so the possibilities are endless. It will take some initial time and effort to build a profitable library of images, but once you do, you'll have a stream of passive income. Number 2. Get into drop shipping. Selling items on eBay and Facebook is so last year. Now it's all about drop shipping, which is a fulfillment method used by retail businesses. Drop shippers buy goods from a third party and then have these goods shipped directly to customers. Crucially, you don't need to buy or physically hold any stock. To make money, you need to identify a product you think will sell in Australia. Chinese mega website AliExpress is a good place to look for something suitable. Next, you need to set up a shop on Shopify or account on eBay and find buyers, perhaps using ads on Facebook or Instagram. You advertise the product at a higher price than you're buying it for. This markup will be your profit. When someone buys the product, you buy it from your supplier and have it shipped directly to the buyer.